having said that, that's because a lot of the college curriculum and technical institute curriculum hasn't been continually updated. At the same time, the students aren't challenged to apply the knowledge they're learning in the classrooms. We're trying to, in our own little way, engage the educational institutes much more, inviting them, training them, familiarizing them, exposing them to contemporary technologies, so that when they go into the industry, it's not like a deer caught in the headlights. They pretty much have seen those equipment or have worked in a small scale at R&D, because we have an R&D lab and a facility also. So we want them to keep on touching, feeling, using the equipment, and obviously asking questions, because that also provides us an insight where to improve. We are also doing a number of research studies with institutes on aspects, and we believe that will be one of the impetus for the Indian pharma industry to grow much faster than anyone can expect.